The latest news about the iPhone 16 Pro includes several noteworthy developments and expectations for future Apple products. Camera upgrade. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to feature an advanced and larger sensor for its main camera, aiming to significantly improve image quality by capturing more light. This enhancement is part of Apple's broader efforts to incorporate advanced AI technology into its camera system, promising a better photography experience with the iPhone 16 lineup. AI features and hardware upgrades. Apple is rumored to be preparing exclusive AI features for the iPhone 16, thanks to significant upgrades to the neural engine on the A18 Pro chip and improved microphones for an LLM-powered Siri. These features are part of a broader effort by Apple to enhance its AI capabilities, with more substantial changes expected in the following year's iPhone 17. Design and feature expectations. Despite excitement for the new model, some key iPhone 16 features, including more comprehensive generative AI capabilities, are reportedly delayed, with significant design changes not expected until 2025. This delay is attributed to Apple's cautious approach to integrating AI and other new technologies into its devices. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggests that the lack of significant design changes this year could lead to a decrease in iPhone shipments, as consumers may prioritize advanced features like AI and foldable technology. Overall, while some anticipated features and design changes for the iPhone 16 series might be postponed, Apple still seems poised to introduce upgrades in camera technology and AI capabilities. However, it's important to note that Apple's plans could evolve, and more information will likely emerge as the official launch approaches.